Okay, this is going to be a short example on how to turn your work into Canvas. I'm going to use the example of the Microsoft Basics practice that we did. So let's say we're all finished with the practice, we're ready to hand it in. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to save it into our documents. You go browse and make sure that we're in our documents. This is in period 1, word practice. And we're going to name it, make sure that we name it so we know what it is. And I always like to put done, so it makes it easier to find. So you might have some different versions in there, but this is the one that we're going to hand in. Then we're going to go to our canvas. We're going to open up our canvas, and we're going to go to our dashboard, go to technology, whatever class that you're in, it wouldn't really matter. We're going to go to assignments, and we're looking for Microsoft Practice. Do this first. Okay, now we're going to click New Attempt, or for the first time I might say First Attempt. You click on it, and then we're going to come down here where it says Choose File. We click Choose File. We're going to go back to our period 1, because that's what we're in our word practice. And we're looking for the one that's done, and we notice that it was just finished now. We click Open. We click Submit Assignment. And it is turned in. It's just that simple.